Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. If you have been wondering how can you get the Prime membership on Amazon, you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you in a very easy and clear method how can you get the Prime membership on Amazon. So follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. First, of course, we need to go ahead and make sure we have something out of the way. Now open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Search for Prime in the top right here. Find app Amazon Prime Video. Make sure you have the app updated for everything to work properly, because that's what we're going to be using in this video. Now open the application and then of course wait for it to full load up. If you don't have an Amazon account, tap on New to create one. Just tap there, as you can see, on the plus button, but if you have one you can just skip this and tap on the account if you see it. In both ways, once you log in, tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture, and then once you do that you'll be taken here. Tap again in the gear icon in the top right corner to go to settings, and then from settings scroll down until you find an option that says manage account. This one, tap on it. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then from here just tap on set payment method right here. Again, wait for a couple of seconds, and right here all you need to do is to go ahead and set up, or basically add, a payment method to Amazon Prime Video. So you start from your name on card to your card number and expiration date, and then tap on add your card. And that is basically it. Now from here all you need to do is to quit and go ahead and purchase a membership on Amazon Prime Video. And that is basically it for this video, guys. If the video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.